Here is how you can remove the alarm clock icon on the iPhone. Let me talk about it. If it's your first time in here, subscribe so you never miss anything important. So when I swipe down from the top right portion of the display to access the control center, you can see I have the alarm icon next to my battery percentage, and it is there obviously because I have an active alarm. So usually when I use my phone normally, it doesn't even stand in a way. That kind of depends on the phone, but you can see that only if I get to the control center I get to see it. So in order to remove it, just go to the clock app and disable any active alarms. So that's something which you can do. You're going to turn off the alarm. Obviously, they're not going to be active anymore, and that means that you don't have the icon in the control center anymore. That is the first part of the story, because then we can as well go to the health section of the iPhone, go to the health app, and if you find a sleep, you can set up the bedtime reminders. Right, so you can tap on the sleep data and everything, and you should be able to see and have the ability to set up your schedule, right? And if you have the active bedtime reminders with the alarms, then it also might be causing the alarm icon. And even if not, it might give you an alternative way to set up the alarm without using the main clock app, which most definitely adds the icon in the tab bar at the top. So it depends on what you're trying to do, but I just wanted to show you that this is another option of adding the alarms, so you can play around with the options right here. Let me know if we managed to fix the issue for you. Hit the thumbs up on the video, subscribe for more, and I'll see you later.